This is an old-fashioned straight rail ram frame machine.
You have to close that cap right off.
This was fucking like this.
I got you straight floor. Now I gotta get in there.
So the principle of this ram is that you hook it down to the body of the car on the far end, or on something on the car. This is kind of a weird pull we're doing here.
Yeah, side pulls at the rear of the car and stuff. When straight pulls, corner pulls are good, but doing rail to rail, usually it's better to be taken apart. Cut the rails apart. Remove the rear body panel.
This is a basic frame machine. We just broke it out. We actually had this in storage and we just wanted to try it.
I've had that for 40 years.
How many?
40.
40 years old.
Me and my brother when I was 12 when I got it, so 38 years ago.
38 years ago, but it does the job.
10,000 pounds.
10,000 pounds of pressure. It maneuvers around. It's real quick to hook up. Yeah, they're not bad. They actually do the trick. I mean, it's simple, but that's how they did it back in the
Stone Age.
Stone Age, in the 60s. Pretty cool. It's got a rail. It's kind of odd the way we have it chained up over here, but that would go into the frame normally somewhere. And it moves around. It's got wheels. It's real agile. It's got the pump here. It's a hand pump. And the hydraulic there. And this basically tilts back this bar, and there it goes. 10,000 pounds of pressure. Rip this car in half.
Oh yeah. You won't have to worry about parking.